हाय। आप सब कैसे हैं? सब अच्छे होंगे घर में। बहुत कठिन परिस्थिति है घर में रहना, लेकिन आप सबको हैट्स ऑफ है कि आप सब घर में हैं और अपना ध्यान रखिए, सुरक्षित रहिए घर पे। और अपने आसपास कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति या ऐसा कोई परिवार दिखे जहाँ पे आप कुछ मदद कर सकते हैं तो ज़रूर कीजिए। घर में घर के कुछ कामों में हेल्प कीजिए पेरेंट्स की। अपने आप को एंगेज रखिए और साथ में थोड़ी बहुत स्टडीज भी कीजिए। सो टुडे वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग with a new prose of class 10 from first flight. This is 2 stories about flying, and we will be starting dealing with the first section of this prose, that is his first flight. So this story, before starting, it has been written by Liam O'Flaherty. So this story is all about here the writer wants to convey a message to all of us that one learns by taking courage and not by sitting idle. Means if you want to learn something, you have to have that dare, have that courage, and you have to means you have to be that much courageous to do that work in spite of fear. मतलब आपको बिना डर के भी उस काम को करना है. And when you will do that work, you know that you are having fear, then too you are having courage to do that thing, and then this courage will help you to attain mastery on that work. Means by sitting idle you cannot come up. आपको जिस फियर से बाहर निकलना है, जिस डर से बाहर निकलना, आप बैठे रहेंगे और सोचते रहेंगे कि ये काम हो जाएगा, तो ये काम कभी भी नहीं होता है. तो बच्चों ये एकदम दिमाग में रखना है कि जो हम हर जगह सुनते हैं, इम्पॉसिबल इटसेल्फ सेज आई एम पॉसिबल. देखो बच्चों, ये बोलता तो जरूर है आई एम पॉसिबल, बट ये कैसे होता है? व्हेन यू विल डू दैट थिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, लाइक प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. तो you have to do it again and again to have that mastery on that particular thing. वैसी fear है, वैसी failure है. कोई एक बार चीज आ गई लाइफ में, failure या fear, तो डरना नहीं है. We have to work on that thing and we have to practice it regularly so that we can have mastery on that thing. So we will be starting this lesson. And as I said, the theme of the lesson is that one learns by taking courage and not by sitting idle. एक व्यक्ति तभी सीखेगा जब वो उसमें वो शक्ति आ जाए कि मुझे ये सीखना है, अब मुझे सीखना ही है, मैं खाली नहीं बैठूंगा, तो वो जरूर सीख लेगा. दूसरा जो थीम ऑफ लेसन है, बहुत ही थीम मतलब सार, जो लेसन का सार है वो बहुत अच्छा सार है. इसमें ये है कि एक यंग सीगल है, मतलब young seagull is there and the seagull is having fears. He doesn't wants to fly, irrespective of the fact that the brother and sisters are flying. He doesn't wants to fly, and being parent, being brother and sister, everyone is encouraging and persuading the seagull to take his first flight. But then too, because the plot where the seagull is there is sitting, he is having fear that when he will take his first flight, he will fall down into the sea and will get drowned and will die. And this fear has created a boundary for himself that he doesn't wants to take flight. एक छोटा सा सीगल है और उसको उड़ना है. वो देखता है उसके भाई उड़ रहे हैं, उसकी बहन उड़ रही है, बट वो नहीं उड़ता है क्योंकि उसे ये डर है कि मैं जैसे जब फ्लाइट लूंगा, वो एक चट्टान पे, क्लिफ पे है, मैं जैसे फ्लाइट लूंगा मैं नीचे गिर जाऊंगा और मैं मर जाऊंगा. ये जो फियर है उसको उड़ने नहीं दे रहा. मतलब ही डजंट वांट्स टू फ्लाई, डजंट वांट्स टू टेक हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट. वो उसकी पहली उड़ान है, वो उसको भी नहीं लेना चाह रहा है. एंड सर्टेनली पेरेंट्स जैसे वरीड रहते हैं, इनके भी पेरेंट्स वरीड हैं और वो चाहते हैं कि जो सीगल है, जो वो फ्लाइट ले, he should take a flight so that he will be able to fly and he will be able to search food for himself and will enjoy what is natural to them. Flying is natural to them and he will enjoy that flying, which is very natural and basic thing for the birds. So we are going to start the story, and see, the story starts with the young seagull was alone on his ledge. His 2 brothers and his sister had already flown away the day before. देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा है the seagull was young and earlier to this point the seagull was fed by the parents. उसको खाना जो है पेरेंट्स दे रहे थे. But now he is young seagull and he is all alone. There is no one on that place where the seagull is there. And this place is a ledge. चट्टान है. चट्टान का तिरछा भाग है एक्चुअली बोल सकते हैं. और आपके बुक में मीनिंग भी दिया, a narrow horizontal self projecting from a wall or here a cliff. चट्टान का तिरछा भाग है थोड़ा सा. And the seagull is there only, all alone, nobody is there. So what is happening? And brother and sister had already taken flight, and the day before they had taken the flight the day before. Now he had been afraid to fly with them. He was not having courage to fly with them. They might see he was having fear not to take his first flight. वो अपना उड़ान नहीं लेना चाहता था. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ ऐसी चीज है जिसके कारण देयर इज सम रीजन. दैट्स व्हाई ही इज हैविंग दैट फियर नॉट टू टेक द फर्स्ट फ्लाइट. Somehow, when he had taken a little run forward to the brink of the ledge and attempted to flap his wings, he became afraid. ब्रिंक मतलब किसी भी चीज का कोना होता है. देखिए जैसे ये मेरा हैंड है, मान लीजिए कोई चीज है तो इसका कोना ब्रिंक है, ये ब्रिंक है, तो लेज के ब्रिंक तक. तो व्हाट इट इज रिटन ओवर देयर कि somehow this little seagull took a little run. वो थोड़ा सा दौड़ के he went near to the corner of the ledge and he wanted to flap his wings. वो अपने wings को ऐसे से flap करना चाह रहा था. He wanted to move his wings. Flap means move his wings. But he became afraid and he became frightened. डर गया वो. The great expanse of sea stretched down beneath means the sea was very the expansion of sea was it was very huge expansion of sea over there. And it was spread down beneath. And जैसे बहुत बड़ा सी है, बहुत बड़ा सी है. And when he was seeing the sea, he became frightened. Why he became frightened? And it was such a long way down, miles down. He saw that wherever he is looking sea and the sea water. जहां तक उसकी नजरें जा रही है वो देख रहा है कि वो तो sea water ही है. He felt certain that his wings would never support him, so he bent his head and ran away back to the little hole under the ledge where he slept at night. When he saw the vast sea, and wherever he was looking, he was seeing the sea and sea water, he thought he will not be able to take his first flight. So he was like very much certain. He was aware that he is not going to take his first flight because his wings will not support him while flying. And he bent his head and moved backwards towards the hole which was there on the ledge where he was sleeping where he slept yesterday night. तो जो जगह पे जो होल था क्लिफ के, वहां पे वो होल के सामने, होल के पास गया जहाँ पे वो सोया था पिछली रात को. वहां जाके चले गया क्योंकि उसे अब पता है कि मैं तो फ्लाइट ले ही नहीं सकता, इतना बड़ा सी है. तो मैं फ्लाइट लेता हूँ तो मैं नीचे गिर जाऊंगा. Even when each of his brother and his little sister, whose wings were far shorter than his own, ran to the brink, flapped their wings and flew away. He himself had witnessed the brother and sister running towards the corner of the ledge, corner of the cliff, and then they started moving their wings and they flew. He himself had seen everything. वो खुद ही देखा है कि उसके भाई बहन जो हैं सीगल के, वो कॉर्नर ऑफ क्लिफ जाते हैं, वहां से वो उड़ान लेते हैं और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं, उड़ते हैं. But he was sure, he was certain, he was he was confident that he will not be able to fly from there. And if he will take his first flight, he will fall down and he will get drowned. So now what happened? He failed to muster up courage to take that plunge which appeared to him so desperate. So what he failed to muster up means he failed to gather all the courage which was there. He was not able to gather all the courage to take that first jump which appeared to him so desperate, which was like whenever he was thinking of taking that first flight, he was filled with a disappointment that whenever I am going to take this first flight, I will fall down and I will get drowned. उसके मन में ये ना भावना बैठ गई थी कि जब भी मैं फर्स्ट फ्लाइट लूंगा मैं यहाँ से गिर जाऊंगा और सी में डूब जाऊंगा और मर जाऊंगा। इसलिए वो अपने करेज को, अपनी हिम्मत को गैदर ही नहीं कर पाया और उसने फर्स्ट फ्लाइट ली ही नहीं। जबकि वो देख रहा है कि उसके ब्रदर और सिस्टर सब उसके विंग से, शॉर्टर विंग से, एंड वो जा रहे हैं, रन कर रहे हैं एट द ब्रिंक और एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द लाइट, एंड दे आर टेकिंग देयर फ्लाइट एंड दे आर इजली फ्लाइंग टू। His father and mother had come around, calling to him shrilly, upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve on his ledge unless he flew away. देखिए, जैसे हम सबके पेरेंट्स होते हैं, हम कोई चीज काम को मना करते हैं तो वो चिल्लाते हैं और उस समय उनकी आवाज बहुत अनप्लीजेंट लगती है, फिर वो स्कोल्डिंग करते हैं, फिर वो हमको थ्रेट देते हैं कि तुम ये नहीं करोगे तो तुमको ये नहीं मिलेगा। सेम वे में इस सीगल के जो पेरेंट है, वो जो फादर मदर है, दे केम वेरी नियर टू द सीगल एंड दे सेड, they started shouting and scolding to this little seagull that, see, if you are not going to take your first flight, we are not going to give you food and you will die out of hunger. मतलब वो बोलते, देखो तुम यहाँ से फर्स्ट फ्लाइट नहीं लोगे तो हम तुम्हें खाना नहीं देंगे, थ्रेटनिंग है। और यहाँ अपब्रेडिंग मीन्स स्कोल्डिंग कर रहे हैं, एंड द वॉइस व्हेन दे आर स्कोल्डिंग, द वॉइस इज वेरी अनप्लीजेंट। And they said, if you are not going to take your first flight, you will be starving over here, you will die out of hunger, and till the time you will not take your first flight, we are not going to provide you food. But for the life of him, he could not move. And they, like, हर एक बच्चा सोचता है, हर एक की अपनी थिंकिंग है, हर एक की अपनी आइडियोलॉजी है। तो here the seagull is thinking that I have to live my life, that's why he is not able to take his first flight. वो सोच रहा है मुझे जिंदा रहना है, भाई मुझे जिंदा रहना है। तो सीगल सोचती है कि I will not take my first flight. क्यों? क्योंकि if I will take my first flight, I will fall down and I will end up my life. So why to end up my life? For the sake of his life, the young seagull, the baby seagull, is not ready to take the first flight. That was 24 hours ago. ये 24 घंटे पहले की बात है। This all thing happened 24 hours ago. Since then, nobody had came near him. And when the brother, sister and mother, father tried to convince him by scolding, giving, threatening, and then nothing has worked, they didn't came near to the young seagull. The day before, all day long, he had watched his parents flying about with his brothers and sister. And whole day, what the seagull did? He was watching his brother and sister taking their flights, and he watched mother and father guiding other brother and sister how to fly, perfecting them in the art of flight. Perfecting means making them perfect. They were giving many practice to them so that they will have the mastery of flying, how to fly, and while flying, how they have to search food. Everything was being taught by parents to them. And while teaching them how to fly, they also taught them how to skim the waves and how to dive of wings. Thank you so much. The next portion we will be dealing in the next part of the video, where we will also discuss the important question and answers of this section. See dear student, आपको कोई भी कमी इस वीडियो में लगती है, आपको समझ में नहीं आती है, प्लीज बताएं ताकि मैं कुछ आपकी हेल्प कर सकूं, जितना मुझसे हो सके, और मैं जितना करने के काबिल हूँ मैं आपको कर सकूंगी। तो प्लीज आप बताएं, आपका फीडबैक दें। योर फीडबैक इज प्रेशियस। देखिए, टीचर तभी पढ़ा सकता है जब बच्चे उसको फीडबैक दें कि क्या है, आपको समझ आ रही है, नहीं आ रही है, तो प्लीज बताएं ताकि मैं और अच्छे से आपको समझा सकूं। कुछ कमी रह गई हो तो थैंक यू। घर पे रहिए, अच्छे से रहिए। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।